By the time you commit these 6 deadly mistakes, it will be very difficult for you to grow your account and become a profitable forex trader. So pay attention to this video without skipping or fast forwarding any part, because these 6 deadly mistakes have sent a lot of newbie traders to their early grave. I know you not like to be part of those ones. Number one among these is trading without a plan. I know you've heard this several times, but it will still come up because this happens to be the foundation of every profitable forex trader. You see, just like a soldier who wants to go to war, you need to have what is called plan, a war plan. That before you strike, this is what you should see, this is where you should be. So as every trader out there who wants to become a profitable forex trader, the first thing you need to have is known as a trading plan. Inside your trading plan, you're going to have what we call trading psychology, you're going to have risk management. All of these things are inside your trading plan. So by the time you wake up in the morning, you know which pair you're going to trade. This is the first thing, you know that. And inside your trading plan, what are you striking? What is your risk to reward ratio? So as a soldier, by the time you get to the opponent's camp, so you know where the opponent's camp is. So inside your trading plan, you need to know, okay, by the time market gets to so place, I'm going to strike. By the time market gets to so place, I'm going to strike. But most newbie traders don't even have a trading plan. They don't have what they're looking out for. All they're actually after is just to click buy and click sell button, and as a result of this, they keep on blowing the account every day. So how much are you willing to risk? This is part of your plan. As your trading plan, how much are you willing to risk? You need to check your plan and consider, in this particular trade, how much am I willing to risk? It is being said, there's this saying you said in the market, in the industry, that you plan your trade and trade your plan. I'll say it again, you plan your trade and trade your plan. So if you don't have a plan for your trade, you have already failed. Like 90% you have failed, because by the time you plan your trade, it will guide you against taking unnecessary trade. So when we talk about planning your trade, you have already predetermined how much you're willing to risk. In a previous video, I talked about that under risk management. How much are you willing to risk? So if you wake up today, you should be able to tell yourself, okay, today I'm risking $100. In my entire account, what I'm going to risk today is $100. So by the time I lost $100, I'm done for the day. I'm not risking more than that. That is what trading plan does. So if you don't have a trading plan, you cannot answer this question. How much are you willing to risk? That is it. So it falls under your trading plan. So by the time you wake up today, today Monday, since today is Monday or today is Friday, whatever day it is that you wake up and you pick up your trading plan, you go through it. Okay, this is my entire account, and my account is a $1,000 account. So what I can risk is just maybe 5% or 10% at the end of the day. I can't risk more than that. That's what I'm going to risk. So if that's what you're actually going to risk, how much it is, you state it out under your trading plan. Now, this guide you that you don't blow your account. You don't blow your account. So by the time you enter, by the time you have this trading plan and you know how much you're willing to risk, with that in mind, you know the order you're taking. But people without trading plan, who have not predetermined how much they want to risk, because of this particular problem, guess what they're going to do? They're going to be taking trade based on faith, believing that, oh, nature will favor them, the universe will favor them. Or if I'm lucky, they don't believe on luck rather than going on their strategy or having a good trading plan. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have a trading plan. Failure to have a trading plan, you take too much trade, and that takes us to the second option. The next thing that these people do, the second mistake that most traders make, most newbie traders make, is taking too much order per time. You see people, they click buy, sell, buy. Someone once reached out to me, asked this question: is it okay to place buy and sell at the same time in case market does not go your order? If it goes this other way, you will still get it. I said no. It is wrong. This is a very big, deadly mistake. This is one truth I want to tell you. It is possible for you to hit both stop loss at the same time. Maybe you don't know. Yes, it is very possible for you to hit both stop loss at the same time. You click buy and you click sell at the same time, and eventually market can trace your sell first and hit you out at stop loss, trace your buy and hit you back at stop loss, and yet you did not hit take profit. So the first thing you need to do is that when you under your trading plan, you make your decision, make through your analysis. After you go through your analysis, you see that the market is actually in the right direction, in your own favor. So since the market is in the direction you see, everything is going well, you make an order. Now remember that the first mistake that they made is they don't have a trading plan. Now, because you have a trading plan, the next thing you're going to do is you select quality setup. And in this quality setup, how many order are you taking per time? Remember that you are risking maybe $100. So if you're risking $100 in this particular trade, how much are you risking per one order? So with that, it's going to help you. Or if you're risking $10, how many trades can you take? So taking lot of order at the same time, it is not practical. There's no wisdom in it, because this is the side effect. This is a disadvantage of it. The trade can go against you. I see someone who take like 15 orders at the same time. He was placing order, buy, sell. Now imagine that you're entering that trade like that, and eventually the market goes against you. You're going to lose all the money. I know you wish that it will go in your favor, and maybe if it goes in your favor, you make money. But let me tell you one truth. The money you make out of mistake is sin that you're committing against your strategy, because it was a mistake, but it turned out good for you. The next time you always expect it to be like that. It's like a person that brake fell and he was able to maneuver and get home. And the next time you think that anytime brake fails in a vehicle, he will always be able to maneuver. It's not done that way. Luck is not enough. So if you're a newbie trader and you want to become a profitable forex trader, then avoid taking lots of orders at the same time. Depending on the size of your account, maybe you're going to take 2, 3, or 5. And just wait. Make he take profit or stop loss in that order. Once you're done first and you see that you're okay, you still have the strength, or you still wish to go back to the market, you can go back to the market. Avoid entering lots of orders at the same time, because it might go against you. And if it does go against you, guess what is going to happen? You're going to blame the market. You're going to be among those people that say, oh, Forex have done this to me, trading has killed me, I've lost money. No, you made the mistake because you did not cut your code according to your size. Learn to cut your code according to your size. Avoid entering lot of order at the same time. That's just nothing but the truth. Another big mistake that most new traders make is risking their last money. Let me say that part again. You are risking your last money. This is the last money that you have, so you just risk it. Now, this is a very big mistake, because people think that, okay, by risking your last money, and you're going to make money, and after the risk, you know what you become? Because you're risking your last money, you become emotional trader. That's the truth. Because you want to make money out of it. The money, see this money, your particular money you're risking, you have to make profits. So because you're risking your last money, you now become emotional, you now become afraid. So because of that, you start making drastic decisions. So if the market should pull back to retest the zone, you might choose to close so that you're not lost all your money. And as a result of that, you're closing on negative. So one of the mistakes that most new traders as number 3 made is risking their last money. They risk their last money. Do not risk your last money. Let your last money be in your account. Use it and eat. Yes, use it and take care of yourself. Be in peace. Be in peace. So when you don't have money, avoid the market. When you have money, come into the market. Because 9 out of 10, there's a chance that you can lose. There's a high chances, there's a high probability you can lose. You see, trading is a game of probability. By the time you understand that trading is a game of probability, you can either win or you can either lose. So because of that, you avoid predicting your next trade. You see, when you risk your last money, the last money that you have, you now risk it. You are already predetermining the next trade, that this trade you're taking, you must make it. So avoid risking your last money. This is the big mistake that most new traders make in the market, and this particular mistake makes them to start blaming the market. Another mistake that they make is looking for immediate profit. As a new big trader, I want to let you understand this fact, that there is money in the forex market. But trust me, it takes time, because this is the truth. By the time you come into the market, you're going to experience losses. And those losses you're actually experiencing, you need to get used to it. Profit will come. It's not as it will not come, but it takes time. Because the profit will come as a result of the person that you become. Not the persons you want to be, but the persons you become during the process. Forex will actually train you, it will squeeze you, it will discipline you. Now, if you're not a person that has discipline, a person that lacks discipline cannot succeed in trading. So if you lack discipline, you need to develop that consciousness over time. These things need to be developed inside of you. So as a result of that, it will tempt you, it will make it more difficult for you to trade and make immediate profit as you're coming in. So you need patience. Yes, profit will come, but you need patience. You need to give yourself time.
You see, there are different stages in trading. We have the learning stage where you're trying to understand what is going on. You're trying to understand what trading is generally. And then we have the struggling phase. You're trying to, apply what you now know, but then it's not playing out nicely. My dear, this is where a lot of persons give up. But if you survive this stage, you will become unstoppable. So no matter the situation, no matter the result, make sure you are showing up. Nothing beats consistency. And one day, the result will speak for itself.
You need to become a profitable forex trader inside of you. Then that is what will come out. If it's not from the abundance of the heart, the mouth cannot speak and the body cannot accept it. So you yourself, you need to become a profitable forex trader from your mindset before it can drop in your pocket. So with that, it's going to take time. So if you're just thinking, oh, because you're just coming today, you need to start becoming a profitable forex trader. Every trade that you're placing, you're going to be profitable. It is not done that way. Go meet all the gurus, whichever coach you're following, whichever persons you're actually envying or you know is doing very well in this forex market. Go meet the person. Ask for the story. I said this last time. My mentor used to say, every glory without a story is a fake. So if you see anybody that is doing very well and is telling you, the moment I came in, I was making money, I'm still making money, my setup is the best I have never felt before, run away. It's a lie. That's not true. Literally, that's not true. Everyone goes through the process. Everything takes time. So as you're coming in, will you make money? Yes. But it's going to take time. Yes, it will take time. Whatever money you're going to make right now, yes, you make money, but it will take time. So avoid looking for profit immediately. Now, let me tell you one truth about money. Money is like Pussycat. Hope you know Pussycat. You know cats, right? Now, if you want to cash Pussycat right now, it will be running around. But by the time you hold what Pussycat wants, Pussycat will come to you and tell you, okay, see me your alpha, which level, which way. That's how life is. That's how money is. See, you make more money in forex market when you don't even want the money, when you don't even care, when you didn't even monitor the chart, you didn't even look at the chart like this. You come to realize you're even making more money. I have most of my students, they tell me, oh, I just entered the trade, I did not even remember to check again. Only for me to come, have you take profit. Oh, God is wonderful. That's how forex is. Most times you make money when you don't even bother yourself. You don't even bother yourself. You didn't even check the chart. Now, when you did not check the chart, you know what happened? The market has done the same thing he has been doing. He has pulled down, pulled up, but you were not there to see. And finally, he take profit. Yes, that's the same thing that happened. But when you're checking the chart, you'll be depressed, you'll be shaking. So when you see the market pulling down, you'll be worried. So most time you make money in forex when you don't even know. So if you know you want to become a profitable forex trader, then you need to become the person inside of you. Forex does not want you to be desperate. If you're desperate, you'll be on losses. That's just the truth. So if you know you want to have money, then become the person that holds the value that money is looking for. So money will come on its own. Just like that Bussy card, it will come on its own and tell you, oh, that's you. That's how money will go to come to you and you'll be making more profit. Now let's move to number 5. Number 5 is ignoring fundamentals. Most new traders ignore fundamentals. They ignore news events. Now let me tell you one truth. Forex is a global market. So global news move money. It affects people's decision, whether you like it or you don't like it. That's it. When there is a CPI news, non-farm payroll, all of this news, once this news release, it affects the market. So as a newbie traders, you need to also be alert of the fundamentals. I mean, most traders just all they know is just that they just click buy, they just carry their phone, go to their chart. Some people don't even know when the market closed. They just I don't know, I went to that, I didn't see anything, nothing was happening. They don't even know anything. So do not ignore fundamentals. You need to pay attention to what news is talking. Whatever is going on news, pay attention to it. Because this is going to affect the market movement. Pay attention to it. I'm not saying go and study news, but pay attention that something is happening. Go to your Forex factory. If you want me to make a detailed video on how to use a Forex factory, tell me in the comment section, then I'll make it for you. Go to your Forex factory and check what is happening. Like on Monday, check what is happening for the week. Check the news that is lining up so you can prepare yourself and know when to enter the market and when to get out. I know when to get out of the market. This is very, very important. Yes, it's very, very important. Do not ignore fundamental, because by so doing, it's going to be part of the thing that is going to really, really affect you. That's just the point. Then number 6 is treating Forex as just that thing. See, if you want to become a profitable Forex trader, you must treat Forex as you're treating every other business. You need to take it as a business. Yes, as one of your business. I know I said in other videos, do not make Forex a full-time career. Yes, never you think of becoming a full-time Forex trader. Agree. But Forex is part of what is going to give you money. So it requires attention. Treat it as such. Treat it as business. It needs time. If you're opening a new business now, maybe like a pharmacy, it needs time for people to know you. It also takes time for you to understand the market and see how the market is working and know things and adjust. Now, basically, in Forex, it needs time for you to learn the psychology, understand the principles, get yourself disciplined to the point that you accept losses, because you have to accept losses as part of the game. If you don't know, if you're a trader that does not accept losses, that is part of the game, then you will never become a profitable Forex trader, because you can't rule out this part that you'll still be running losses in the future. So if you're going to become a profitable Forex trader, then with that in mind, you need to develop yourself to accept losses. So with that, it's going to take time. It is not going to be 1 week, neither is it going to be 1 month. You need to accept losses, and losses is part of it. So you discipline yourself like that. Accept, take Forex as a business. Learn to adapt. Adaptability is the secret of every successful businessman. You need to learn to adapt. What was working last year might not work this year. So you need to change your strategy, check your strategy, what is not working and what is working. By learning to adapt like this helps you to become a profitable Forex trader. So treat Forex as a business, as a real business. Very, very important. Just like you go and learn something just like you learn other business, get a mentor. This is one mistake that most new traders make. Because it's very simple for you to download MT5 or register with any broker. It is very simple. As a result of this, people don't see the reason to learn Forex. So they think that, is it not just to click buy? I remember one day, someone reached out to me after a while, asked him what happened. You've not paid for the training. He asked me, am I going to pay to go and play? Yes, he reached out to me through my ads. So while I was doing follow-up, I asked him, look, the training is about to start. You haven't paid for the training. What's keeping you? He asked me, am I going to pay to go and play? So you can see that most people think that Forex is a play. It's just play. They are coming to play. And at the end of the day, by the time they lost money now, they blame Forex. If they make the money, they will not blame Forex, because they think it's play. And that's why I'm telling you, Forex isn't for everyone. No, it's not for everyone. So what you need to do on your own is that get a mentor. Just like you go and learn pharmacy, just like you go and learn how to sew clothes, just like you go and learn something, anything you want, any business you want to do, you will definitely go and spend time and learn it, right? Good. With that in mind, learn it. Get books, read books, study, develop yourself. Because let me tell you one truth, money follows individuals that have the capacity to carry it. Write that part down. Money follows individuals who has the capacity to carry it. By the time money sees that you don't have the capacity, you don't have what it takes, no matter how you chase money, you'll never get it. But by the time you develop yourself and become that person that deserves to carry that volume of money, money will definitely come your way. So these are the 6 common mistakes that most new traders do make. In the future days, I'll bring out other ones. But for now, let's stop here not to make this video too long. These 6 mistakes prevent most traders not to become a profitable Forex trader. I trust you get value from this video, and if you do, please kindly like, share, and comment. If you want to learn more from us, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Remember to watch this particular video that YouTube is actually recommending for you, because